Hi there.
Hi everyone. Well, we have some fun things this week coming.
Yeah, we're looking forward to a good week.
Yeah.
Lots of fun stuff in store.
Yes, we hope it's a fun video for you. It's we're excited to do it. We have this space downstairs that in our finished basement that needs some attention.
Right.
We don't have a television down there. We don't want one. We wanted a screen, a big screen.
A projector.
So a projector screen. So we wanted it so we didn't always have a TV on display, so we could pull the screen up and pull it down when we use it, and we love the idea of a projector.
Right.
And to me, it's less expensive, don't you think, than a TV screen? So you could have this huge TV screen, but why pay more when you can pay less and have that whole effect of a big screen, but it feels like you're always in a movie theater.
And the novelty of it is kind of fun too.
Yeah.
So now last week we just brought our living room couch downstairs. So now we have a living space down there. So
again, we've been missing it. So
right.
And it's such a comfortable couch. We've actually had a couple nights going downstairs on that couch, and it's been so nice.
It has.
But now we're going to have, once we set this up, we're going to have movies again.
Yes.
And we have it where we have a little casting, a Chromecast stick, so we can cast our shows on there as well.
Right.
And it's been great.
So we're planning on setting all that up this week and figuring out some solutions to some problematic areas.
Yeah.
So
it's been great planning this out.
Yeah.
I'm really excited.
Yeah.
And you're going to hopefully, we haven't really thought about it yet, but hopefully find a solution for the projector. Because it really, unfortunately, we have a sofa, and then the projector has to be kind of almost in front of it to get to the point where we have our screen. We need enough distance from the sofa, but yet we need not too much distance for the projector. So we're going to work on that issue.
yeah, it's got to be just the right distance away from the screen. So we're working on that, and we'll see what we come up with.
I have faith in you, dear.
Together, we're going to do this.
Yes.
All right.
So we have that, and of course I'll just top it off with a little decor. And I think if I can finish it in time, I'm going to show you some of our Irish decor for St. Patrick's Day. I'm part Irish, so I think everybody is at this time of year, but I actually am part Irish, and I really want to celebrate that. And I don't get really into the themes of it all. I just want to have splashes of green and nature and some Irish elements. So we're going to show you some of that, how we do it, and that room.
Yeah.
And I might even give you a sneak peek of a little project that's in that same room off to the side. We'll see. We'll see how if we tackle that mess enough, because it's a mess.
Right. So, shall we?
Shall we do it?
Let's go.
Yes, we shall. Yes. So as we're doing over this family room area down here in our basement, we wanted to have an area to view some movies, and we can cast some shows like on Netflix and Hulu and whatnot. So to do that, we have this projector we purchased a while ago. We used to use it outside. Now we use it inside, and it's fantastic, but we had it propped up on a box here. We have a speaker system. That, by the way, that speaker system, we had that. Someone was giving that away for free at a tag sale, which was fantastic. And that same tag sale, they were getting rid of this. What is it? It's a coffee drawer organizer. So where you put your little coffee pods in. But it was really nice. It has like a stained wood top. What do we do with that? Well, we're not using it for coffee, folks. Guess what we're going to do with it? We're going to, I know it sounds strange, but we're actually going to use it for our DVD player, which so we can view like DVDs, but also for our projector so we can actually cast our movies onto our screen. I know it sounds strange, but wait till you see how we do this.
So the cords will be here, and then
now we just have to work out the sturdiness of it and how it stops.
in order to stop this drawer from pulling all the way out, I added this strip here to stop it. And when I removed the grid that was in here that held in the coffee pods, it pulled away from the metal, leaving these little tears in the mesh, which I'm not too pleased about. But I am going to be adding a board in here to hold the projector up high enough so that they can get over this here. So the hole should not be an issue. Putting up these pieces here for the dual purpose of hiding those ugly brackets, and also I'm hoping to tuck the cords down back behind here so we don't see those.
So this is the final result I think Paul did a fantastic job making this shelf. He was brilliant in the sense that he put a piece of wood here. And you know what? I don't hate it. I was worried about, oh, it's going to look like a random piece of wood. But I don't hate it. What was brilliant about it is it hides all the cords. And then we have the speaker and the unit itself for the sound. It's a little bulky, but we got it free, folks. We love tag sales. And sometimes people get tired at the end and they don't want to, we don't always purposely wait till the end. Sometimes we do, but sometimes we just go and they're ready to pack up early and we just have these free items. But we have, on the shelf here is a DVD player. At the top there is, I love how this actually comes out, and we can have it just exactly where we need it for the projector screen, which if you can see. So there's a screen. I'm just going to quickly show you what we're working on here. So we put like a closet here with totes because eventually I'm going to move around here, where we have this closet. This door right here is another closet, which we actually built out. This whole wall, I'm going to move back a little. This whole wall was kind of pulled out and then made a square of it. That whole wall, that room in there, Paul built out to make a closet. It was a really nice big closet. He had all the shelves. You can go back at past episodes and see where we had a leak in there and he had to fix because there's pipes in there and whatnot. And we had finished it off. We had put a floor in, but the intention was to eventually make that a bathroom. We have all the piping in there that we need. So we need a plumber to come down, give us an estimate. We just want a toilet and a sink and some sort of closet in there for storage for our toiletries and whatnot. We're not going to put a shower or anything in there. We took all the shelves down and we have some just random storage in there for now until we get our estimate, until we can start making a bathroom. But we wanted to get the motion started. This whole area here is going to be covered. We're going to do something really cool next week. It's not going to be just a simple wall and a door. We're going to show you that next week. With this, we have our shelving unit. I just decorated the shelf a little bit. A lot of this, I just wanted to say, little quick caveat. I didn't want to go shopping for decor. Decor is really expensive, and frankly, the weather's really bad lately. It's very, very dangerous with a lot of icy conditions, and there's been a lot of accidents. So we're on vacation this week. So staycation. So we really didn't want to go out if we didn't have to. I could have went to Aldi's. I could have went to Walmart. I could have looked at some local thrift stores. I could have even shopped on Amazon. I really, really wanted to save money and just use things that we have in the house. So for now, I just have a couple of pieces of pottery in a basket. We'll probably put our remotes in there. I had a beautiful photography book that my daughter and her boyfriend had given me one year for Christmas. I really love photography books. These two end tables that we told you about, I think last week, these were free on the side of the road. They're beautiful. They're really, really beautiful. So we just had to clean it up and do a little repair to it. So now we have these tables. Well, we didn't have lamps. What do? So I just ordered 2 lamps from Amazon, and it's a 2-pack, and they have a dimmable light and they have warm and a brighter light. I love that they have that. What I like about these lamps are their pottery. Now, it wasn't quite the look I was going for, what they had available, and I didn't want to spend a whole lot. But with those lamps, in the summer we tend to do more of a nautical decor, so that kind of worked. And I'll show you, they're supposed to come in tomorrow, and if they come in time for this video, I will show you it set up, but they will go on each of these end tables here. So here is the finished design here. What do you think? So here are those lamps we talked about. We ordered them and they came in right on time. So we are going to take these apart and assemble them. Why we picked these, I really wanted a pottery vase. This isn't exactly what we're going for at first, but what I love about these is it's has that pottery stone feel where it's not shiny, it's not ceramic, but also it has that look of like nautical look to it, and that's what I really love because we're really into that. So this cottage is, especially in the spring and summer, we really like it to, and honestly, all parts of the year, we really like it to embody that nautical feel. So we really like these lamps. They're actually in really good shape. So they came as a set of 2. However, the one thing I don't like is this shade came like this, all rolled in like a coil. But we have to assemble these here, and we're going to figure out how exactly to do that. But this is my least favorite thing. But they really try to pack it in and, you know, take all the air out of stuff and have it really packed. And then it's a great thing. I understand it's less materials, but it really makes things very, very difficult when you're trying to disassemble it and get it together here. And I see we have a little Velcro thing going on here. So I'm going to Velcro these ends here together. It's very strange. I'm not sure I like this. And then they give you these circles that fit in. They kind of clip in like you'd see at any shade, but you have to assemble it yourself. So not sure how I feel about that. It's easy enough, but the price was inexpensive, so I think in the end it's probably worth it enough. Very easy assembly. I would say about 5 minutes. It's not so bad. I really thought it was going to be frustrating and didn't know how I'd like that because it seemed cheesy, but actually this works just fine.